Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're learning how to fix the iLovePDF not saving edits in 2026. Now, if your changes disappear, it's usually because processing wasn't completed, the browser refreshed unexpectedly, or the page was closed too early. So, you might want to consider downloading the iLovePDF app version, because these errors happens less in there. So you can download it from the App Store or the Play Store depending on which device you're using. And you can also download the desktop version from the Microsoft Store. Just straight into your computer and edit your PDFs there. Now let's go back to our topic. To fix the iLovePDF not saving edits, you're gonna first finish all the edits. You're gonna click after you merge a PDF file or anything you modify a PDF file. You're gonna click the final processing button and wait for the file to fully generate. Then next, you're gonna repeat the edits if necessary, then download the updated PDF immediately. Now another huge tip is creating backup copies before editing important documents. You should also avoid working with unstable internet connection. And finally, always save the completed files to your device once processing is finished. And that's it. Once finished, the file will be able to be downloaded and you can download it to your device. And make sure to also check your internet connection. You're going to switch to a more stable internet connection to fix this issue. And also you can switch to mobile data if it's faster. And make sure you have enough storage in your device to be able to store that file. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the iLovePDF not saving edits. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.